Trying to lose weight after 50, you've probably noticed something. Most programs either don't work or they weren't built for your age, your body, or your lifestyle. Today, I'll break down the 3 best weight loss programs for men over 50, including the one I recommend to most of my private clients. I'm Coach Tony, founder of Over 50 Men's Fitness and ReGenesis Coaching, where I help men over 50 lose fat, rebuild strength, and totally transform their health without going to a gym or counting calories or some fad or trendy diet. Let's move on to the top programs I see men try and which one actually works. Program number 1 is actually intermittent fasting, which is very popular. And yes, it can work. The first time I did intermittent fasting was for a bodybuilding show back in 1999, natural bodybuilding. Now, intermittent fasting simplifies the eating process and it helps control blood sugar and it boosts fat burning hormones. But here's the issue. If your diet is still full of processed food or too low in protein, fasting won't fix it. And for some men, it leads to overeating late at night or crashing energy during the day. So the verdict is in. It is a helpful tool, but it is by no means a full strategy. Now let's move on to program number 2, which is low carb or keto dieting. Now, I first tried that one back in the 90s too when I was doing natural bodybuilding. And see, I know a lot of men see fast weight loss on a ketogenic or low carb diet. You know, you cut carbs, you're going to lose water and the scale's going to drop. But most of that early weight loss, it really isn't fat. It's simply water. And without a smart reentry plan, what happens is weight comes back. In other words, when you go on that low carb or keto diet, if you don't have a good plan towards integrating into a normal diet nutrition plan, then what's going to happen is it's like the yo-yo effect. You're going to come back, you're going to start eating a lot, and you're going to put on a lot more weight. Plus, it can be hard to train hard and sleep well on strict low-carb plans. So my verdict is it works temporarily, but it's hard to sustain, and it absolutely kills your strength gains and sometimes even your energy. Now, program number 3, I call the ReGenesis Method, because this is what I use when I coach men over 50 inside my private coaching. And it consists of protein-centered meals, 30 to 40 grams per meal, 3 times a day. Smart strength training, not cardio marathons, not anything that's going to wreck your joints and cause a lot of pain where you don't even want to get up the next day. Then there's daily walking for fat loss, for recovery, and to help with your blood sugar. And then stress and hormonal support, because weight loss isn't just diet and exercise anymore. The goal isn't just to lose weight, it's to lose fat, keep muscle, and stay strong. Plus, you might want to stay a little mobile, agile, flexible, and athletic. So these are things that I incorporate in my training programs within the ReGenesis coaching method that I use. So now, if you want to see the training side of this strategy, I have an upcoming video called Strength Training for Men Over 50, and I'll walk you through exactly how I structure workouts for fat loss and muscle retention. Now, if you're over 50 and you're tired of plans that don't work, you can visit over50mensfitness.com/ReGenesis, like you see on the screen, and you can apply for my ReGenesis Elite Coaching, and you'll get the full blueprint customized to your body, your age, your schedule, your goals, and where you would like to be 6 months down the line. So let me know if you really want to excel at transforming your health. That's what I'm there for. And you can always go to the website and schedule a free strategy call. Now, moving forward, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one.